Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You must have the recovery code you previously saved and access to a trusted device. Next, open the Facebook account recovery page and enter the exact email or phone tied to the account. Once done, choose the option to use a recovery code when prompted. Make sure your device shows the correct account preview. If it does, select it and proceed to the recovery code input step without navigating away. Now paste or type the recovery code precisely. Facebook treats each character as critical, so double-check for typos. After entering the code, click Verify and wait for confirmation. The system will validate and may request a second factor like an SMS code or email confirmation. If the code fails, don't rush. Try another saved recovery code or request a fresh one if available. Once verified, Facebook will let you reset settings or log back in immediately. Finish by creating a strong new password and enabling two-factor authentication to prevent repeat lockouts. Once logged in, inspect recent logins and remove any devices you don't recognize. Update recovery options and save new recovery codes in a secure place. If the code still won't work, use the alternative recovery flows. Try trusted contacts or Facebook's identity verification prompts. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, clear browser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.